$285 billion. Oof, wiped out in 24 hours. This wasn't a market dip, it was execution. We just saw IBM stock bleed out because a new AI agent failed in production. This is the $600 billion finally springing a leak. In this video, I'm going to show you how these new AI agents are quietly breaking real system and what you, as an IT or non-IT professional, can do to test them before they blow up your company or your career. Subscribe if you want to be the person who audits AI, not the person it quietly replaces. These agents don't just talk, they act, they book flights, manage database, trigger workflows, move money. As a senior AI system auditor, I've been auditing these autonomous co-workers and I keep seeing the same pattern. We are building a jet engine, but we forgot to install the brake. Today I'm breaking down 3 critical failure points in agentic AI that can crash your security and why system testing just become one of the most valuable skill in 2026 in tech world. Happy path trap. So when you see an AI agent's demo, booking a flight, closing tickets, it looks perfect. That's because you're watching Happy Path. One clean input, one clean output. Nothing weird. But as a tester, I live on the chaos path. What happened when flight is cancelled mid-transaction? When the API throws a 500 error, the data is half complete. Most AI agents today don't have real error handling. They just keep trying or they silently fail. I've seen bots loop on the same failing call and rack up 5 figures in cloud cost in minutes while everyone thinks AI is working. That isn't innovation, that's AI convenience with no breaks. You'll hear a lot of people brag about AI-driven workflows. If there's no defined error path and no one checking output, that's not AI transformation. That's AI washing with production risk attached. To get ahead of this, stop testing for success. Start using the chaos path framework. Ask 3 questions. What if the API fails? What if the data is corrupt? And what if the user cancels? If your agent does not have a kill switch for these 3, it's not production ready. Next failure point. OpenAI and Microsoft are now giving agents their own corporate IDs. On paper, it's a digital coworker that's log in and update your record. But an ID is a set of a permission. In the hand of an agent, those permissions are a single point of a failure. If attackers use the prompt injections to hijack that agent, they haven't just stolen the password. They have hijacked an employee with a valid badge. They now have the key to the kingdom. Payroll, CRM, and internal database. That is why human in the loop isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement. We are plugging beta agents into mature infrastructure and removing the controls. The rule, when capacity goes up, you don't remove control, you harden them. Here is a practical test for your office. Ask your IT head if your AI agent has a static identity. If that agent uses the same credential as a human, your company is one prompt injection away from a total wipeout. Auditing these permissions is your first step to being irreplaceable. Here's the good news for you. Everyone's scared that AI will replace their job. But as companies actually trying to shift these systems, they are realizing how fragile untested agents are. The demand for the people who can verify the tech is exploding. You don't have to be an AI researcher to win in this economy. You need to be the person who can say, we tested this, we know how it fails, we know where it's safe to use. High-stake companies, finance, insurance, enterprise, SaaS aren't looking for someone who just prompt an agent. They are looking for integrated auditors and system testers who understand failure modes. If AI is a new engine, verification is the new oil. Pressure gauge without it, everything looks fine. Right up until it doesn't. Remember, the market doesn't pay for the person who says AI is cool. It pays for the person who says, I can prove this AI is safe. That transition from user to verification expert is where the 6-figure salaries are moving in 2026. The $285 billion Anthropic shock wasn't about a cute chatbot hallucinating a poem. It was the market getting a glimpse of what happens when agentic AI touches real financial system without clear guardrails. The next big failure won't be a funny screenshot, it will be untested agent making a decision about money, access, or compliance that nobody saw coming because nobody was assigned to test it. We aren't in an AI winter, we are in an audit spring. The bubble isn't popping because the tech is bad, it's popping because the trust is gone. When you become the source of that trust, you become the most valuable person in the room. If you want to stay ahead of this, you need the audit mindset. I put together a 2026 system tester roadmap, a practical guide to how to think about agents' failure modes, what to test before deployment, and how to position yourself as the person who keeps these systems safe. The link is in the description. If you're a developer or an engineer or a manager or just someone who wants their career to survive this shift, subscribe and join me. Let's make sure the future of AI systems doesn't just look impressive, it actually works in production. I'm Swati. Stay skeptical, stay rigorous. I'll see you in the next audit.